The real problem for many people isn't lack of talent.
Right.
It's not lack of opportunity.
Yeah.
The real problem is this tape. You're surrounded by people who ask you the wrong questions.
Mm-hmm.
When you start thinking about changing your life, you can't always talk to people who are standing on the same level as you.
Mm-hmm.
Because people on your level
Mm-hmm.
will try to make staying comfortable sound logical.
Mm-hmm.
They'll say, just stay here and make this better.
Mm-hmm.
But deep inside you, you already know
Mm-hmm.
there is something higher calling you. There is a better life waiting. There is abundance waiting. There is a version of you that hasn't even been introduced yet. And the truth is, people who are stuck in comfort will always try to pull you back into comfort, listen to. Not because they hate you, but because they're afraid to leave themselves. So here's the real question. Are you willing to be uncomfortable? I remember a time in my life when I was cleaning toilets just to survive. And every once in a while, I'd cross paths with wealthy people, different backgrounds, different industries clashing, but they all kept, if you want to win financially, you've got to invest. You've got to pay to play. I wanted more. I knew I was built for more, but I didn't want to accept the reality that to make money, you first have to invest money. And when you start investing calm and in your body, your mind, your future, it doesn't feel good.
You're right.
It won't make sense to people around you. It won't feel safe. It won't feel comfortable. But growth never lives in comfort. So that ask yourself honestly, are you aiming higher? Are you focused? Do you truly believe you can pay the price? Because let me tell you something, but pain is part of the price.
Yeah.
Not comfortable pain, not predictable pain. But the kind of pain that comes from walking into territory you've never been and before. In the beginning, it feels confusing. It feels heavy. It feels like nothing is working. But if you stay committed, there will be a harvest.
Right.
If you keep giving minimum effort, you'll keep getting minimum results. But the moment you understand that success costs something, Clef, and that cost hurts bang, everything changes. There will be days you want to quit, days you want to walk away, days you hate the process. But if you can see what's waiting on the other side, you'll realize this truth. Today's pain becomes tomorrow's power. That life you dream about, that future version of you, it will cost you your old life. You already have what it takes to go to the next level, but the laziness has to die. Kill it. Laziness doesn't deserve life. Excuses don't deserve oxygen. You are responsible for your life. Get out of that bed. Stop waiting. The time is not tomorrow, Wanchana. The time is now. Your passion is connected to your destiny, but laziness will disconnect you from both. You say you want more, but you're not willing to sacrifice for it. You keep saying tomorrow, knowing deep down tomorrow isn't promised.
Right.
Stop sitting on the sidelines hoping life will change. Life changes when you move first. And fight for this life. Train harder, dig deeper, push forward. Because that purpose flowing through your veins will give you strength when motivation fades. No one is coming to tap you on the shoulder. You don't need permission. You go part now. You want to be your best? Then give more than your best. You want to owe yourself that. Life is not a game. It's work. It's discipline. It's grit. It's consistency. Too many people waste their lives waiting. Waiting doesn't build anything. Show up. At one point in your life, you believed in yourself. You believed anything was possible. So what happened? Why did you stop believing? Why did you start seeing yourself as less? Dreams come with nightmares. Growth comes with pressure. Stress will try to break you bad, but it will pass. You're in the driver's seat. You must have a mindset to push through. There are people right now who would trade places with you in a heartbeat, but you're wasting time. Struggle is part of growth. Sacrifice is the entry fee. It hurts. Sometimes you have to walk alone. Everybody can't go with you. You don't owe anyone an explanation, them. And you owe yourself results. This moment matters. Everything counts. Kill laziness today. Hey, not tomorrow. Millions wish they had your chance. And you're sitting there saying, I don't feel like it. Life is serious. Time is limited. Don't wait for pain to force you to change or change while you still can. This isn't just about fitness. This is about fighting for your life. Push every rep. Run the extra mile. Balance discipline with hunger. Conduct your business. Greatness requires a WHY. Champions don't play just to win they play for a reason bigger than themselves. If you don't have a why, you'll never give 100%. And talent isn't enough. Skill isn't enough. You need will, phenomenal will. You might be smarter than me, faster than me, more gifted than me, but you won't outwork me. That's the difference. Discipline is doing what you said you'd do, Kayla, even when you don't feel like it. You must win in the dark and before you shine in the light. Stop letting an alarm clock control your destiny. Wake yourself up. Hit, reset, rebuild your life. Tell weakness to shut up. Tell excuses to be quiet. You don't have permission to quit. Life will judge you. People will doubt you. You'll feel broken, but you can rebuild. Your life has meaning. Your strength is inside you. Pain doesn't last forever. Time does not wait. Forgive yourself. Hold yourself accountable. Keep pushing. You must know what it feels like to be at the bottom before you reach the top. This is not the end. You will rise again. Live fully. Fight daily. Walk with purpose. You are alive. You are capable. You are not done.